Review Hub. Specifications. Brand name, Jaffe. Model number, Kingrinder K4 K6. Burr size, 48mm conical burr. K4 burr, titanium-coated stainless steel burr. K6 burr, heptagonal stainless steel burr. Material, die-cast aluminum body, stainless steel components. Hopper capacity, 30 to 35 grams coffee beans. Adjustment system, external adjustment dial. Precision, 60 clicks per rotation, 16 micrometers per click. Weight, 600 plus grams. Portable design for travel and home use. Feature, portable. Material, die casting aluminum. CN, Guangdong. High concerned chemical, none. Origin, mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.